for our rural areas like in Buhari area councils, from Kukumi to Tokolu to Karam to Wau, going to distribute it up to Kau. If you go to Kuje area council, areas like Ipegi and so on and so forth. If you go to Kwale area council, area like Kwaita and so on, like Isukuku and so on. So we are going to up to Yaba, Yebu, Yangoji. We are going to distribute it to the rural areas. It's good for policy. And we want to thank the Honorable Minister and tell him that he will see the difference because we needed them. You can see we demanded for more. Even the one that can carry GPMG, we demanded for it. He's going to help us to provide it. We are very grateful. They know the word of caution is already known. We have already have a word of caution for them, even before it is given to us. You are going to see the difference. We want to penetrate. There's areas in this FCT you may not know. It's not Abuja, Maitama, Asokoro that is FCT. The areas you will go, you need this. We even need canoe and speedboat in some areas in Kuje and the Buhari area council. So we need, it will assist us in securing FCT. We are very grateful. Thank you so much.
You talked about what is the situation right now?
In every police station in FCT, we have equipment to profile any person you want to employ, either as a gardener, either as a security man, either as a cook, either as a driver, either as a cook, either as a houseboy or house girl. Go to the nearest police station, you will see our equipment for profiling. We did it purposely to ensure that any person that is with you will have all his information so that he cannot be forced to do anything that is untoward to you. And if they are with us, they are going to, is a precaution. That is exactly what we are talking about.